Good snowy morning, although it isn't really snowing yet. We're going to have a snowstorm today, apparently. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I am showing you the little vehicles activity book that I made for my grandson. I finally finished it. I put a picture of him driving his little cozy coupe on the cover, and then I stitched it this way. It took me a while to remember how to stitch. I haven't done this kind of stitching in a long time. I had to watch a video to refresh my memory. But anyway, I put the little road on the covers. Each cover has a road right here. And we have some extra little vehicles that we can, or he can, drive on the road. And I did not put the tabs on these because I wanted him to be able to drive them without tabs getting in the way. And then on this page we have our sticker page, and he can take these stickers out and put them on any of the pages that he wants to. And then next we have our matching pages, and he'll be able to pull these in and out with the tabs that I sewed on. So there's 6 of those. We've got ambulance, hospital, police, garbage, firehouse, school, and taxi driver. And then we have another blank page for stickers, and then we lift up this flip, and there's more. These are like puffy stickers back here. And we have our buttons up here, and then over here we have a tag, and I wrote things on it like, Grandma loves Isaac so much. Isaac is a smart boy. Isaac is a sweet boy. Isaac is a good boy. So that's what goes in this pocket, so you can take those out and look at them, and if I know him, he'll probably drive these around the house because he just loves cars and trucks. And then that's it. I figured I would leave lots of blank pages for stickers. And that's it. I will be giving this to him for his birthday today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you are not in the path of the coming storm. I hope you're happy, healthy, safe, and warm. So we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.